In the conservatory at Yew Tree House, there is a heater that will warm up the room. Please ensure that it is on at the switch just here. If it is on, you'll see that the lights will illuminate. To operate the heater, it is a touch screen, so if you just push on this button here, that will turn on the power, so you can see the other buttons have illuminated. Now, to operate this, you can cycle through the modes. For example, this is on full, where it's 2 bars for heating. You push down, this half button is more the eco mode, and then this star button is just in the anti-frost mode. To change the temperature, what you need to do is to be in the eco mode or the comfort mode. You can see that it's heating up because this little fire symbol's on there. To change the temperature, push this button. You can see we have it defaulted to 35 degrees. So this will carry on heating up until 35 degrees is reached. If you wish to change that temperature, you just activate the flashing button by pushing this button here, and you push the down arrow to go down and the up arrow to go up. You then push the button again and it will set. To turn off the heater, if you've finished, just push this button here and that will turn it off. And that's how to use the heater in the conservatory. Thank you.